Gujarat Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi has confirmed the DNA profiling of former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, and it has matched. Chief Minister's office officials there in the CMO are at the civil hospital to coordinate transporting the mortal remains of former Chief Minister. Gujarat CM Bhupendra Patel also reached Vijay Rupani's residence, even as Minister of State for Home Harsh Sanghvi was also with the CM, and former CM Vijay Rupani's wife Anjali has also reached and meet his sister and son. This comes as the DNA sample of Vijay Rupani has matched. Remember, that's a very challenging, time-consuming process that is underway, even as the families of the victims continue to wait, and that agonizing wait till they finally get the mortal remains of their loved ones. I want to first play out the soundbite of the Gujarat Minister Harsh Sanghvi as well as the Health Minister, and then we take the story forward.
हमारे नेता श्री विजय भाई रूपानी जी का एयर इंडिया अहमदाबाद गेटविक की फ्लाइट के क्रैश में दुखद अवसान हुआ है, और ख़ास तौर पे आज सुबह करीबन 11:10 को उनका डीएनए मैच हुआ है। उनका पार्थिव शरीर परिवार एवं वरिष्ठ आगेवानों के साथ चर्चा होने के बाद आज 1 बजे समय नक्की होगा और आगे की जानकारी आप सबको दी जाएगी।
आदरणीय माजी मुख्यमंत्री विजय भाई रूपाणी साहब का डेड बॉडी, उनका पार्थिव देह का क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन डीएनए का हो गया है, और ये समाचार मिलते ही आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री भूपेंद्र भाई पटेल साहब उनके गांधीनगर निवास स्थान पे जाके ये न्यूज दिया है, ये समाचार दिया है, और साथ में उनको बोला है कि अब बाकी की जो कार्यवाही करना है, राजकोट में उनका जो पार्थिव देह है किस तरह से ले जाना है, और बाकी की अंतिम विधि के लिए वो परिवार जो तय करेगा उस हिसाब से पूरी राज्य सरकार सपोर्ट करेगी।
All right, those were visuals that are coming in on your screens. This is Vijay Rupani's residence in Rajkot on the right-hand side of your screens, and on the left-hand side are those visuals of his mortal remains being taken from the hospital. Let's get in Aishwarya Jain, my colleague who's been standing by at the civil hospital, who's reporting live on this story. Aishwarya, you've been tracking every aspect of this story, and you also saw when these mortal remains of Mr. Rupani were being handed over to his family members. That process, which saw a large number of BJP leaders as well, a lot of Gujarat BJP delegation members also being there. Talk to us about what is it that they are feeling right now about their leader, and also certain finality and closure, given that now the DNA sample has matched and mortal remains have been handed over.
Well, former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani's DNA samples were matched at around 11:10 a.m. this morning. And the reports came as being confirmed by the Home Minister of Gujarat, Harsh Sanghvi. It was later top cabinet ministers of the Gujarat government, including the Health Minister Hrishikesh Patel, who was here at the civil hospital when Vijay Rupani's mortal remains were taken in an ambulance, and now there has been an advisory that has also been issued by the Rajkot police about the traffic diversions that will be made tomorrow for the last rites of the former Chief Minister. From here, what we have been told is that mortal remains will be taken to Ahmedabad airport, and from there a special charter flight has been booked where the family members who are there in Gandhinagar and along with the top BJP leaders will accompany, and tomorrow would be the day when the last rites will take place. Vijay Rupani amongst the top leaders of Gujarat from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and amongst the mass leaders who have large followings, looking at the kind of preparations that had been done on ground. The Gujarat government had issued several advisories, as well as the top leaders are expected to also arrive to pay last respects to Mr. Rupani as well. Remember, it was Mr. Rupani who was supposed to go to London to meet his daughter over there, but unfortunately he was amongst the 241 passengers who died after the tragic crash, and finally after the bodies being recovered from the crash site, the DNA sampling was done over here at the civil hospital in Ahmedabad, and finally the DNA samples were matched 3 days after the crash. It is of course these visuals that I can share to you from the mortuary complex over here, as one by one since morning I'm witnessing the ambulances passing by, the family members who had given their DNA samples and who had been informed by the authorities of the civil hospital that now they can come and take the mortal remains of their loved ones. They are receiving their mortal remains after completing the legal paperwork, as well as collecting the postmortem reports and death certificates. The ambulances with the numbers of 191 have been kept on standby and have been called from different districts across the state. It is the family members also had been informed that if they wanted to take the mortal remains to a foreign country, then Air India will completely assist them. But it is amongst these 141 passengers, Vijay Rupani, a top BJP leader, former Chief Minister and former Member of Parliament, also died, and tomorrow is the day when we can expect the last rites that can happen in Rajkot.
Indeed. And at this stage, Aishwarya, as we keep tracking this big story, the tragic finality to the former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani, and his final journey that is set to begin soon in Rajkot. Talk to us about the kind of preparations that are in place and the kind of leadership of BJP, both local and national, that is set to be there in his final journey.
Well, it is, Vijay Rupani was called much loved leader of Gujarat, serving the state as a chief minister for 5 years, and had been in touch with the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Everyone paid last respect. Beyond the party lines, we saw condolences coming in towards the family members of Mr. Rupani as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the family, and met the wife and the family members of Mr. Rupani. Yesterday, Mr. Khadge, Congress President, also came in, and he also spoke to the family members of Mr. Vijay Rupani as well, and offered his condolences to the family members. But it is much vacuum that will be created in the Bharatiya Janata Party, specifically in the state of Gujarat, and therefore the reason perhaps the kind of service that he had given to the state of Gujarat and how he had served to the people of Rajkot and Gujarat. Thousands of people are expected to pay the last respects to Mr. Rupani tomorrow in Rajkot, and also from top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party to top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of Gujarat, all will be there. But one thing that the Gujarat state government has been saying, that every family member, every victim is as important as Vijay Rupani, and therefore elaborate arrangements had been made for smoother transportation of the mortal remains of those family members who had been coming in and receiving their mortal remains.